everybody, good afternoon. I am here with Sheri. Sheri is the organiser of the Holi that's going on this Sunday. So tell us what the Holi Festival actually is. What does it represent?
Well, it represents the beginning of spring. Okay, so we're a little late this year. Instead, we're going to be celebrating the beginning of summer.
That's fine, okay.
So it's okay. I mean, considering the weather was really bad all of the spring anyway, it's probably nice that we're doing it right now.
So what does the festival entail? What is going to happen? What time does it start, first of all?
Okay, we're going to be here from 2 o'clock selling colours, selling t-shirts. You can get these very nice caps if you don't want to get colour in your hair. From like about 2 o'clock, food stalls will be open, so you can be here from 2. The official inauguration will be around about 4 o'clock. We'll have like the children's dance, a quick masterclass, and then the first big countdown and throwing of the colours will be around about 4:30. So it gives people time to get here, eat something, buy the colours, and be ready.
Okay, so when you say buy the colours, for people that haven't been to Holi, what does that mean? What do you mean by buy the colours?
Okay, so we sell these little packets of different coloured powder, and the powder is cornstarch with food colouring. So it's hypoallergenic, biodegradable, all guaranteed. And we're going to have like a stall just over there, the Club India stall, and we'll have it open and be selling from like about 2 o'clock. Okay. And so they can come, and it's like 3 packets for €5 or 1 packet for 2. At the moment, if they can look at our Instagram, which is Holi Puerto de la Cruz with little dashes in the middle, they can find the information, the t-shirt, the caps, and the colours, and they can also start doing like a reservation and say, okay, I want this many packets, I want this and this, and we'll have a different queue for like reservations that you just come and say, this is my name, and bring the money ready and just get it, so that they're not making a really long line to get the colours.
So it's quite an event, isn't it? Because when you say you do a countdown, I was here last year, and it was fabulous, it was amazing. So we stand there with our colours in our hands, and you do a countdown from, is it from 10?
From 10.
Okay. And
just like a New Year's Eve countdown.
Yeah. And then we just go whoosh, and there's an array of colours that just comes down upon us. It's
quite spectacular.
It is absolutely amazing.
It's like a rainbow rain.
It's absolutely wonderful, and like you say, it's all biodegradable, so it doesn't, stain your clothes. It can wash out. It's all.
Yeah. I mean, I used the same T-shirt 2 years in a row because I took it home, washed it in cold water, and then used it the next year, and it was white today. So.
And the food trucks, all Indian food, or is there a combination of things?
We have a couple of Indian restaurants from the south. We have a vegan food restaurant from Santa Cruz. We have a hot dog stand. We have somebody that does like the barbecue pinchos.
Oh, lovely. Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
And that's it this year. So I mean, if you can have hot dogs if you don't want Indian food, or you can have vegan food. Yeah. And there were some bars. There was the mojito man that does the sugar cane for the mojitos.
Perfect. So it's a bit of everything for everybody.
A bit of everything.
Last year, I remember there was face painting for the children. Have you got face painting this year?
Yes, we do. We have special little stalls where they can go and like do hair and makeup for the photo call. This year, a new thing we're going to do, instead of just like people putting henna on the children, we're going to do like a henna workship where they can learn to use the cones and do tattoos on each other.
Oh wow,
that's something new this year. There's a little workshop area this year, and we're little by little we're getting bigger, so hopefully there'll be more workshops. And of course, my dance workshop is every year now to get people to learn some moves and dance together.
I know you do. DJs. Yeah, I know you do a little thing for us all to try and follow. And keep
and this year we've got like the same DJs last year and another new one. And we also have my partner who runs Club Masala in Madrid. So she's my work partner. She's going to fly over and also do some workshops. So we've got like each year we're trying to get a bit bigger, have more artists, have more things happening.
So fun-packed day for the whole family. Lots of colour, lots of things for the kids to do. Some dancing, some singing along, I presume, if you know the words.
Yeah, if you know the words. Yes.
Okay, food, drink. Just a great day. So can we just say, where are we in Puerto so that people know? So we've got
you've got the beach over there, the Muelle, and Plaza de Charcos. So if you know to get to Charcos Square, you come towards the beach and then towards the left. So it's as if you were going to go to the car park, but you just take the left and you're in the square.
Yeah, and for sure you'll hear all the noise and see all the colour and everything.
Yeah,
anyway.
I'm sure you will. One thing that's really important is that you must wear like leggings or something that it's easy to clean. And a white t-shirt always works because it looks really great when it's full of colour as well. And we will be selling t-shirts, so if you don't want to damage a t-shirt that you really like, come and buy the official Holi one. And if you're worried about getting colour in your hair, buy the cap. It's only €5. It's a beautiful white cap, and again, it'll be full of colour by the end of the day.
Perfect. Sounds absolutely amazing. I absolutely loved it last year, and I'm really excited about it this year. So I look forward to seeing you on Sunday. Thank you very much for your time. Please come along and support. Yes, it's a great afternoon, a really great afternoon. I'll see you on Sunday.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you.